Good morning, you guys. It is 7 a.m. So super early for me. I took a little break from getting off this early, or I took a little break from getting up this early, and I feel like it's time to get back into the swing of things. So I have a good bit planned for this morning, but that's basically what this video will be. It'll just be me trying to get back into the swing of waking up super early. I skipped all of that. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. I skipped the whole intro. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nicole, and welcome to another Vlogmas. Okay, now I can get up. Okay, I just had to film some intro TikToks, like transition type things, and now I'm a little bit more awake, but let's get ready for the day. So honestly, I'm just going to keep that light on for a quick second while my eyes adjust, because I can't do this big light. I just can't. Okay. Honestly, filming TikTok is actually helping me wake up. I'm not even gonna lie, because that requires so much more attention than like filming for YouTube. Filming for YouTube, I just press a button, but filming for TikTok, I actually have to pick out the sound and then make sure I'm like filming at the right time, and like timing is so important with TikTok. So it's just filming, it's definitely waking me up. Which is, I mean, that's a good thing, but yeah. You can see I have a big light on. My eyes have adjusted. Washing my face with water / filming with TikTok will do that. It will wake you up, or it will wake me up. And right now, I'm just putting some aloe vera gel on. What I put on my face in the mornings is like typically the same as what I put on at night. And I'm going to wait for it to dry a little bit more. And then I'm putting those pimple patches on, because as you can see, I have a pimple right there. Right now, I am getting ready for the gym. I don't even know if I said that. I'm going to the gym this morning. I don't know if you remember, but a little while ago, I was going to the gym every morning at 6 a.m. and then it turned into 7 a.m. because I realized I didn't need that much time. Like, I had a lot of time after the gym to do nothing because nothing was open. So I changed it to 7 a.m. and I like that a lot better. So yeah, and then I just stopped, and when Vlogmas came around, I felt like there was no way I would be going to the gym at 7 a.m. But I feel like I can make it work. So I'm going to try today and see how this works. I think for the gym, I'm just going to put my hair in this really easy low back bun, and I'm just putting like water in it, like wetting the brush and then brushing my hair down, because I feel like I have a lot of product in there already that I should probably rinse out for the week. So yeah, I am just brushing my hair back into this really quick bun. It doesn't really matter because I'm wearing a hat today too. Honestly, there's no need for me to even be brushing it now that I think about it, yeah, because I'm wearing a hat. So just go like this. And now I'm going to put just a little bit of moisturizer on, because I don't want my face to be dry, but also I feel like it's kind of gross to put a ton of lotion or whatever on before the gym. I don't know, I feel gross when I do that. Okay, so for the top, I know I want to wear this sports bra top. It looks like the ones I always wear, but I can't decide between the pants or the bottoms. I think it's just always easier to do like black variations, so I think I'm going to do this one today. I'm almost ready to leave now, and I'll show you the full fit in a quick second, because I also have to add a jacket to it, and I already have the jacket picked out. It's normally the jacket I wear to do cardio. Put my earrings really quickly so I don't look like a boy with my hat on. I feel like this is the hat I always wear, but I think today I'm going to go with this one, even though it won't match with my headphones. I think I'm gonna wear this one. I've never worn this hat, so It should be interesting to see how it looks and feels. Let's make sure my pimple patch is still intact. She's a little tight. I could definitely loosen her up, but I'm not going to. Let's fix that. That's cute. I like it. It's cute. I think I'm gonna turn this into a bun though. All right, the jacket that I was talking about is this one. This is normally the jacket I wear to go do cardio, but I just really want to put it on today. Actually, I think it's raining outside today. So now this is the full fit. And I'll probably have on a puffer, or I will have on a puffer jacket too, because no doubt it's cold outside. All right, I made my chlorophyll water. I haven't made this in forever. So this is really me getting back into a routine because I have not made this chlorophyll water in forever. I also finished filming my TikToks, so that's good. And now I'm going to chug this and we can leave. And then I'm not going to make up my bed before I leave because honestly, I think I should clean my sheets. It's been a hot second. So I think I'm going to clean my sheets. And actually, I can put that into the washing machine before we leave. We're on our way to the gym now. I forgot what it looks like to be out this early, especially since the time changed. I feel like I did a better job of being out this early when it was darker. Wait, does that make sense? Is that? No, now since it's lighter, that means it should feel even easier for me to get up. Not that today was hard. Today wasn't hard. It's just like, I really love my sleep. And I'm not really a morning person. And I'm trying to force this on myself. I'm trying to force myself to be a morning person. I feel like that's new. Ooh, that looks nice. Anyways, I'm trying to force myself to be a morning person. And it's not the easiest job. I would probably enjoy it a lot more if I didn't have to drive to the gym. And if I was going to that yoga place. Like, imagine me getting up this early to go to that yoga place. Plus, I would be getting up right now. Because the class starts at 8:15. The class that I would be signing up for starts at 8:15. I think there's one more before that one. But yeah, so I would be getting up like actually in a few minutes. Like, that sounds amazing. I'm actually kind of convincing myself to do it. If you've been keeping up with my vlogs, then you know what I'm talking about. But if not, there is a yoga / Pilates / cycling place near me that I really want to try. I feel like with this as I'm going into my, new eras in life, this whole soft girl era journey that I'm on would really flourish with a yoga / Pilates class. I'm just trying to convince myself that I need it. So this is my way of doing it. But yeah, so I feel like I would do really well in some type of class like that. Oh man, I wanted to try to angle it with the Planet Fitness behind me. You can kind of see it when I go like that, but that's the best we can do. I want to be able to go in there and film my workout routine, especially in the mornings. There would be no one there and it would be so much easier to make sure I don't get anyone in the background and stuff. But today's just not the day. I have other content I want to get out. I really want to go ahead and film the Christmas gift ideas because I already have like the ideas and everything planned out or like picked out. Ow. I just need to sit down and actually record it. This video is going up today, and then I'll do like a Christmas gift ideas that will go up tomorrow. I don't really know what's going up the next day, but something is going up. All right, let's go in. Now I'm definitely wide awake. If I can get back on this routine, that would be amazing. But I would like to come a little bit earlier. I would like to start getting up again at 6 a.m. instead of 7 a.m. because I definitely feel more productive and motivated getting up at 6 a.m. Like, I just feel like Anna 3.0, not even 2.0. Also, an update on the protein shakes that I've purchased. I have not taken them yet, but I feel like I should though, because sometimes I don't have time to make breakfast, and those protein shakes are really filling as in breakfast. So I feel like it only makes sense for me to take them or to start taking them, or start drinking them. So I'll just keep you updated on that. But yeah, I'm on my way home now and I'm going to actually make some breakfast. I think I am in the mood for some scrambled eggs, and honestly that's all I want. I really want some scrambled eggs.
I promise you that you'll never meet another person as mentally tough as you in your entire life. And he hasn't. And he never will.
Okay, I decided I'm going to make the breakfast I typically make, which is just the scrambled eggs on the tortilla wraps that I have, and then I have some Parmesan cheese with some salsa and some sour cream. So I know that's a lot for breakfast per se, but it's getting on later in the day. So it's almost 12 now, or almost noon now. So yeah, that's what I'm about to have, and I'm so excited. It smells so good, and I'm so hungry after the gym. I don't know. I like being so hungry and then feeding myself instead of being not even hungry and just eating because it's breakfast time, you know? Okay, so I didn't place it on here all aesthetic or whatever, but it's gonna taste good and that's all that matters. And now I'm about to eat this and then journal a little bit, which is something else I have not done in forever. I've not like actually sat down and pulled out my journal. Actually, I was gonna say, actually, I don't even know what my journal is, but so I have this regular journal and then I have a gratitude journal. I think I'm going to do the gratitude journal and get some work done while I eat my breakfast, and then I'll check in with you guys while I'm getting ready for the rest of my day. Okay, so I was actually on FaceTime with my sister while I did everything else, but I made sure to at least time lapse it for you guys. I just made up my bed as best I could for now. My sheets are still in the dryer, and I also did my hair and loaded the dishwasher with all of like my breakfast food and everything. So all of that has been put away, and now I'm just going to get some work done for the rest of the day. More than likely you'll see whatever I do for the rest of the day in another vlog. But yeah, so that is actually going to conclude this vlog. Hopefully I can stick to this routine or stick to some type of routine like this. That is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this one, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here tomorrow with another video.